Your grinder seems to be having clogging issues, which is quite common and can happen due to several reasons. 1. Clean your grinder frequently to prevent clogs caused by residual coffee oils. Use a brush to remove trapped grounds and wipe down the interior. 2. If your grinder allows it, adjust the grind size slightly coarser to reduce the risk of clogging, especially if finer grinds are causing issues. 3. Opt for fresh coffee beans to minimize fine particles during grinding, thus reducing the likelihood of clogs. 4. Keep your beans and grinder in a dry environment to prevent moisture-induced clumping, which can lead to clogs. 5. Avoid overwhelming the grinder by grinding smaller batches at a time, which can help maintain optimal performance and prevent clogs. Following these steps should help you troubleshoot and hopefully resolve the issue of your grinder getting clogged.